Assalamualaikum students, I hope you all will be fine. Today I'm going to explain worksheet number 6 for you. Here you can see a picture in which Explorer is visible. Here you can see the Chrome logo, Opera logo, Mozilla Firefox logo. Okay, these logos represent that these are different search engine which if we want to search information in textual or in any form we get access through these engines. Okay, give examples of the following. Name a popular ISP. ISP stands for internet service provider, which give you internet, like PTCL give us internet. So here you will write down the popular ISP name. Different ISP are present which give us internet access. Name any one of your favorite website. There are many websites which we use like YouTube, Facebook, Amazon. There are different websites. Okay, you will write down your favorite website name here. Name a popular search engine. Here you can see different search engine. You will mention the popular search engine name here. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.